In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Trello board. Duplicating a board is a great way to reuse an existing setup without rebuilding lists, task structures, or workflows from scratch. It's perfect for recurring projects, client templates, or team processes you repeat regularly. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Sign into your account as you normally would. If you use two-factor authentication, have your code handy to avoid getting signed out midway through. Once you're in, head to the board's view. You can access it from the main navigation or the sidebar, depending on your layout. This shows you all the boards you have access to, organized by your workspaces. In the workspaces section, find the workspace that contains the board you want to duplicate. If you have a lot of boards, use the search bar to quickly locate the one you need. Click the board you want to copy to open it. When the board loads, look to the top right of the board header for the three-dot menu. This is the board options menu. On some screens, you might see a show menu button first. If so, open that and then look for the additional options. Click the three dots to expand the menu. Scroll through the options and select Copy Board. This tells Trello to create a new board based on the one you're viewing. You'll see a dialog where you can set up the copy. Start by typing a new name. Choose something clear and consistent, like including a date, client, or project code so you can recognize it at a glance later. Next, choose the privacy setting for the new board. You can keep it private so only invited members can view it. Make it visible to your workspace so your team can collaborate, or in some cases, choose a public setting if that's intentional and appropriate. For most teams, private or workspace visible is the safest choice. If your organization has policies, follow those to avoid sharing sensitive information. When everything looks right, click Create. Trello will generate your duplicate board. Depending on your settings, it will copy the structure and, if selected, can include cards as well. Keep in mind that certain elements like activity history or member assignments may not transfer, which is often helpful for starting fresh. After the board opens, give it a quick review. Check the lists, any copied cards, and the background or labels. If you plan to share it, invite the right teammates and adjust permissions as needed. That's it. Your duplicated Trello board is ready to use.